Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your computer takes too long to boot after shutdown, then you should enable fast startup. Fast startup helps your PC start faster by saving system information during shutdown. It works like a mix of shutdown and hibernation. In this video, I will show you how to enable fast startup in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using the control panel method only. This method works in both versions and takes just a few seconds. So let's get started. First click on the start button, then type control. In the search results, click on the control panel entry. Ensure view by is set to category. After that, click on hardware and sound. Then click on power options. On the left sidebar, click on choose what the power button does. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then check this one option, turn on fast startup recommended. Then click on save changes button. That's it.